And all we need now is a window.
So this time we've not got the window regulator in the door because it's already out, isn't it? We took it out on this side. So do we put the window regulator in or put the glass in and then fuck around?
Yeah, we'll fuck around with the regulator with the glasses in. Definitely. Save us fucking... Well, we did well, but let's do it differently.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I popped over to see my good friend Chris to see how he's getting on with George my Allegro. But before I get any further with that, kudos to my Talbot, who's doing the daily duty at the moment. 40 years old, absolutely remarkable, just soldiering on like it's a new car. So thanks Kirby. Anyway, I need to get George out of storage because he's currently outside under wraps and getting back into the shed because at the moment Chris is currently painting a tailgate for a BMW. So he's got to finish that job off and we've got to get George out of cover, back into the garage so he can get some sanding done. So lots to do. Yeah, kudos to my good friend Kirby the Talbot. He's been a good mate over the last few months. Just soldiering on like he was a new car. Must give him a wash because he's absolutely filthy. And here's George. The doors are actually going back on today. But we've got one side done already. Just need to put the glass back in on the driver's door and get it all back together. So best crack on. So both doors are now in primer. The last time we saw this door, it was completely rotted out along the outer skin. And it had come into the back of the door skin as well. So all that has been fabricated. I'll just show you what he's done on this side of the door, guys. All this is being fabricated. He's had to completely redo that seam along there because that had all rotted out. Obviously needs rubbing back, painting and priming yet, or priming and painting I should say. But the next challenge is to get the glass back in and the window regulator in place. So I'm going to crack on with that. So what I'm doing next, guys, before the glass and the regulator can go in, we need to fit this channel. So there's a little triangular piece which fits in that way and sits in the door aperture. Oh no, it goes that side, sorry, because I'm doing the reverse of what I did on the other door. So that's going to have to go back into there, and this bit goes up inside this track here. So if you're doing this on your own, this took some doing because we've got no reference material to show us how it's easy taking stuff apart, but unless you're paying attention, and I wasn't the one doing it, so less said about that the better. But we worked out that this track here goes inside like that, and that goes inside the door, and that's obviously your guide or your track, if you like, for the glass channel. So that's got to go into the door first, and then this comes up through the cavity, slots into place. That's held in place with a little grub screw, and then that is bolted to the door frame. So I'm going to crack on and do that now. So apologies about the angles, but I've not got my tripod with me today. So that's got to go. Torch. Okay, that's now.
So this is it. This is all us on camera.
That's it. Right, right, so same as before. I don't think I need a torch, but
Yeah.
I checked beforehand. This goes in lovely.
Oh, that's even better. Let me just say hello there. Yeah, lovely. Yeah. So that's fucking A1, isn't it? Oh, lovely A1. Fucking super. Oh, that's fucking A1. Right, you've got your hole for the bottom?
Yeah, it just needs to come up and touch.
Okay, you good? Is that it? No? Is it a fraction more?
Fraction more.
Oh, yeah.
It probably would like to, but it's going to fucking...
Well, don't do it too hard, we'll just leave it loose and just see if we can get it up.
Really?
Eh? Well, it sounds easier said than that. I don't know how to get a grip on it. This is
Just that. Well, let's go.
try it.
Right.
So, we're happy with that?
Yeah.
What
okay.
would you? Oh, yeah, seal. You do need that.
One half was the...
I imagine that goes up somewhere around about, isn't it?
That's the joining. I think that's that side.
I think you're right, that's still on. No, that's still on, that is. Yeah, that's it, Alec. You've done that well. That, inside there. Yeah, that's how it goes, 100%.
Yeah, on the door latch.
Right.
Well, there you go.
How's that? Oh, fucking marvellous.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just lift that up. Oh, brilliant. Alright, right, that's it. And that's right up the top.
It's just in there, isn't it? Backwards, isn't it?
Is that a ring?
It is now, yeah.
Okay.
Hey, one, as I said, right. So, I reckon.
That's it, that's how it goes, exactly.
Which
That's exactly how it goes.
Yeah.
It just goes to that edge at the top. That's it, it's dead on. That's it. That is
Well,
fucking
come
bang
on.
on, mate. Seriously, it's bang on.
Can't see nothing. I get that's with the contour of the door, it's lovely.
Yeah. I'll go in the door. Right back on. Right. Now what we need now is a window.
So this time we've not got the window regulator in the door because it's already out, isn't it? We took it out on this side. So do we put the window regulator in or put the glass in and then fuck around with it?
Yeah, we'll fuck around with the regulator with the glasses in. Definitely. Save us fucking. Well, we did well, but let's do it differently.
So just got to get this back in here now. That's got to go inside the door.
Let's put it in there now, Alex, so we know where we are.
Right, let's crack
Put
on.
it in there.
There's actually a channel on the inside. I don't know what you can see, guys, but there's a channel on the inside the door there where that little round cog goes. Don't forget to put that bloody runner in. That's a pain in the arse.
So I can't see nothing now, so I can fucking go.
You got the light?
You got it?
Yeah.
No? Fucking hell's a rubber, can't see the fucking rubber. Can you feel it? Right, have you got that? Oh, I see, right down the very bottom. Right. Well, come on, Alan. You got that one in?
I've got the regulator in the other there.
Right, some other ones. What we did before. Okay, well it's out there now. Are you on there? Can you see where you are? No?
Okay, that's
Is that in?
that's yeah.
That's the case.
So that's all.
Let's pull that back so there. Okay, that's it for there. Right, that's against that. And you say that's definitely in there? Eh?
Yeah, she in now.
Right, so otherwise we've got to go forward again to get out of the door.
What we did on the other side, we can't do this, didn't we?
That's it. Gotta go there anyway. Right, come on. No over that for that. Fucking hell. Okay, well, it's probably one very all round. What it matters is there, yours in. Can you get it in? How close are you?
I'm on the right, but things not.
Sorry, I'm on the road. I'm nowhere near the door closed. Don't push it back that way. That was you.
Yeah, this.
Right. Are you there?
I'm on that line.
Are you actually on there? You're not. Alright, you are there though, yeah?
Yeah.
Look, stay there then. I'm not moving anyway. No, don't move.
The issue is, mate, this glass is not.
Yeah, I know what you mean, exactly. Now, is that in now?
It's on the. You can try to find the handles, right?
That's it. No, is that it? Now, that's it. Got you there now.
One handle again, mate.
Hey?
One handle again. One handle.
How's that?
One handle.
Yeah, that's it. Then more.
Right, it's now a week later, guys. There's been little progress this week, unfortunately, because the weather's been rubbish and Chris has had some other jobs to do. But the next thing is to rub the car down and get it into primer. So looking forward to seeing how Chris gets on with that. Thanks for watching. I shall see you soon with some more content. Take care and see you soon.